We're going to test out these new LED bulbs I found on Amazon that go on my lawnmower. This is what my standard bulbs look like. So, let me get the new ones installed and we'll test it out. And if you see it clicking, I have a charger on my battery here because it's almost dead. Here's what the LED bulbs look like. I probably don't have to, but I am wearing a glove here just to keep my finger oils off of it. But wow, there are a bunch of LEDs all over that. And just in case you're wondering, there is a side-by-side comparison. They're nearly the same size, so this should work out well. And the new bulbs fit perfectly in the standard slot. Might be a little bit hard to tell in this video, but this one over here on the left is very yellow, and the one over here on the right is very white. Let me back up here and see if you can tell a difference. Maybe from here you can tell that the one that is on this side over here is a lot brighter. I think it's a little bit harder to tell in a video, but wow, there's a big difference there. And with both the bulbs in now, wow, that is almost blinding just to even be in front of this lawnmower. This is gonna be awesome, especially when I need to mow at night. So if you're thinking about upgrading your light bulbs in your lawnmower, you might want to consider these. And to give you another idea of just how bright these lights are, let me turn it on for you. Whew, blinding. And here's another angle. And to give you an idea just how bright these are, it is almost dark out. I've turned my lights out in my building. My goodness, it is shining bright, much brighter than I've ever seen in front of this lawnmower.